bigyan ng mabuhay, imahal naming natawan. Nagsawang masigla kung malipayon, para sa katawin, magkapiling ka ng kasigla.
Sir, as the school head of Padianan Elementary School, I, Kandao B. Kabugatan, have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024, composed of 8 males and 9 females with a total of 17 graduates. After careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation, and I therefore certify that these candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under K-12 curriculum. Sir, we are now ready for your confirmation.
By the authority vested in me as the representative of Vice President Sara, Secretary of the Department of Education, through the Office of our Sports Division Superintendent, Dr. Edwin R. Maribohog, after having been presented and duly certified by your school head that you have satisfactorily completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under K-12 curriculum, I now confirm you as elementary graduates of Padianan Elementary School for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations.